Redmi Note 11, the latest launch by Xiaomi. It comes in this white box, very basic packaging. Here on the front you can see the model is displayed nicely. On the side there are some advertising details by Xiaomi. Below you get the manufacturing details. So without any further delay, let's get into the box. As soon as you unbox it, you get this rectangular box. Inside you will get the mobile cover and the quick guide start. So first here is the transparent mobile cover, and apart from that we get this quick start. So this guiding manual has all the details about the handset, about the phone and its accessories, etc. And here, as you can see through a picture, it is clearly displayed where the buttons placed. So this is the quick start guide to Redmi Note 11, and moving ahead, here is our silicon transparent mobile cover. So this is a very basic mobile cover with the camera cutout also given here. So the phone is in the rectangular format and the camera module is also in the rectangular format. As you can see, it's easily foldable. So nothing very fancy. Keeping it aside, now let's talk about the phone itself. It comes in 3 color variants: star blue, twilight blue and graphite gray, and here we have received the star blue color variant. Apart from that, inside the box you get the charging adapter and the charging cable. This is the charging adapter. It is a 33-watt pro fast charging adapter, and it's in white color. Here is the cable. The cable looks pretty long in white color. Again, it's a type C USB cable. So let's talk about the handset, and first let's remove it out of the plastic cover. Talking about the weight of the phone, it weighs 179 grams and has a quad camera setup. As you can see, the camera module is in rectangular format, and the primary camera is a 50 megapixel with 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel macro camera and a 2 megapixel depth sensor camera. The body is made up of plastic and has got this dual tone finish. As you can see, there is also an LED on the front. Here is the display. The display looks quite bright with this punch hole selfie camera, which is of 13 megapixel, and it is a 6.43-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 90 Hz of refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. The touch is quite smooth. Talking about the processor, it packs Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 SoC, and it has got 3 variants available, which is the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, with again 4GB RAM and 128GB storage, and the topmost variant 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. So talking about the camera, I already told you. Below you get this is the audio grill or the speaker grill along with the charging port. On the side there is this SIM ejector tray, and the volume controls and the power controls. The phone towards from the side looks a bit thick and again has a matte finish. Here you also get this 3.5mm headphone jack, and there's dual speaker given here. Battery support, you get 5000 mAh battery with the phone, so it will last throughout your day. And the camera module, again, it's very chic and big. So that's all about the Redmi Note 11.